So the affluent are taking health and wellness to new heights in the country. Luxury clinics across India offer intravenous drips like the very popular Myers cocktail for quick energy boost, detoxification, anti-aging is what they claim as well. Now these IV therapies starting at anywhere between 2,500 rupees, which is for one session that is, cater to about high pressure lifestyles, pre-vacation prep, some post-party recovery as well. But beyond IV drips, far infrared sauna, a sort of sauna that sort of again claims to be doing a lot of detoxification, claims to be bringing in anti-aging therapies as well. Colon hydrotherapy have all become quite popular in the detoxification and gut health sector, while chiropractic and physiotherapy sessions address stress-related injuries and screen fatigue. All of this is happening all around us. These are trends that everybody here in Delhi NCR are also picking up.
So clinics across the country actually are buzzing. You have top executives, homemakers, teenagers sometimes even, all looking for innovative solutions to counter stress, hectic schedules and lifestyle challenges. In a world where networking, business, social commitments all demand that you look good, these are high-tech treatments that promise to make you look good but also keep you relaxed and feeling energized. Women in particular, it seems, are opting for non-invasive treatments, and we'll talk a little bit more about what those treatments are right here on the show. But as we are right in the middle of holiday season, partying's taking place already in full swing, we thought this was the right time to explore how so many people in the Delhi NCR region choose to recover from that partying, choose to look their best. Dr. Saurabh Mangal, the Director of Health Sense Physio and Wellness Clinic, is with us. And Dr. Preeti Nanda Sibbal, she's India's leading functional medicine expert and the creator of Cyclic Keto. She's with us here this morning to tell us a little bit more about all of these treatments. Let's go over to Dr. Preeti first, just to understand a little bit more. Dr. Preeti, good morning. Just tell us first, just an overview. What are the treatments that we see Delhi's wealthy, India's wealthy opting for? And when we say, the cost, tell us about the ranges involved. What are the most popular treatments? Give us the overview first.
So thank you for having me here, and thank you for taking this topic up, because I think this is not a luxury. This is what we need to do in the environment we are living. So IV therapies, our gut health is becoming so compromised that we all are almost nutritionally deficient. The food has less nutrition and we have less absorption. And IV therapies help us take the direct route and get those nutrients in our body. Simple IV therapies like glutathione and vitamin C help in improving collagen synthesis, help in anti-aging, help in improving your skin complexion. And most importantly, it helps in getting away from fatigue, so feeling more energetic. And this is what people are doing now. Before going to a drip, if you can take these IVs, it really increases or enhances your stamina, your well-being, and the fun you have in the trip. And when you are back, again, another one can actually boost the nutrients in your body, and the body feels again recharged. And, that concept of a holiday after a holiday is now going away, and they're saying drip after a holiday helps you get back to the office all fully charged and in good health.
Right, Dr. Preeti, you make it sound like it's almost routine for people getting it done. Not sure how one can actually say that. Could you tell us a little bit more about who should get this done? And also, it's a quick fix band-aid solution, right? It does not sort of change things internally for the long run.
I won't say it's actually a quick fix. The effect of an IV drip lasts for about 2 weeks. And there are people who get the feel of it and actually have to lead that, high-end lifestyle where you are sleeping late, getting up early, you're very ambitious, you have to achieve a lot. Then they get a membership of 2 drips a month. And I sometimes feel it's like going to a parlor and getting your hair cut or doing the routine things which you need to live a healthy life.
Do you think there should be age limits or restrictions around it? I ask because one of the things we covered that is accurate is that you have teens coming in, sometimes school students coming in, sometimes those in their early 20s, and these kind of treatments can often be used to offset, going out at night, partying late, maybe treating your body the way you shouldn't be treating it. What are your
Yes.
thoughts there?
So I don't recommend it for people less than 18 years unless there is a medical reason. I don't recommend this to become a routine for people. But yes, I strongly support this because a lot of chronic diseases can be avoided. And more than that, you can live at your full. There are people today who don't even know how they would feel when they are very energetic. Right? How does it feel to stay at the same energy level throughout the day? Not having those crashes, glucose crashes during the day and then going for a cup of tea or a coffee. And also, these are nutrients which we get from food. So they are healthy. And if done under right guidance, they don't have any side effects. They are like, for example, if we talk about Mayor's cocktail, we give vitamin C, magnesium, B complex, with some other vitamins depending on how we want to customize it. Now, only if you take magnesium, you can get it from spinach, right? Palak. We all used to hear that story, Popeye the Sailor Man, right? And spinach was there. I remember, telling that story to my kids when they were young. Every time I had to make them eat spinach, right? Now, having 30 bowls of spinach, because the magnesium in spinach has gone down, our absorption and appetite has gone down. So the nutshell is that whatever we were able to get 20, 30 years back, we are not able to get the same nutrition in the day. So we need to find a way to get the same nutrition.
Yeah,
In fact, we are working more.
Like it's almost a supplement of sorts these days.
Exactly.
But the worry with that is, and just a little caveat over there, one must be sure how much magnesium is already in the body because an overdose also can be. Just putting out words of cautions over there. Dr. Saurabh Mandal has also been waiting and just want to get in a quick word from him. Dr. Mandal, you don't do a lot of these invasive therapies. You do a lot of physiotherapies and help people come. But are you seeing an influx of patients these days? It's the holiday season. It's the partying season after all. Are you getting a lot of people wanting to detox after a big night?
Definitely, people are coming to us. I'll also say that this is a party season and people are coming. They are coming just for the relaxations because after the late night parties, they just get headaches and they get hangovers. And the very next day, they are just coming to us. They are saying that after the last night party, I am very much drained. Can you please help us to rejuvenate our body?
Dr. Saurabh, tell us, and Dr. Preeti perhaps pitch in right after, but tell us about the price ranges involved, just so we can give our audience a taste. One session, what's the cost? Regular sessions with you, what are the costs?
Price ranges starts from 2,000 rupees per session and it can extend it to 3,000 to 4,000 rupees a session. It depends what people need. Like if they're coming only to just relax the upper body, they just say, okay, I just want to get rid of this migraine, I just want to get rid of this headache, then the price range is different. And if they say just we want a general relaxation, I want to sleep here for another 1 hour or 2 hours, so that price range varies.
So going to a therapy session and then getting to sleep there, these sleep capsules, I heard they were a thing in Japan, but they're picking up in India. That's quite something. Dr. Preeti, then I have to come and ask you about this very interesting colon therapy that you have been speaking about. It is at the heart of how human body actually operates. What exactly happens in this colon cleansing?
The colon, we all know 80% of our bacteria, which tells us how healthy we are, is in a large colon. So in colon hydrotherapy, we use filtered water at 42 degrees centigrade and clean the colon 18 times in a 40-minute session. Now, especially the moment you started the session, I was hearing you were mentioning that AQI still is very high in Delhi.
Yeah.
Right? And so toxins, they all, stick in the colon. We have lot of stuck material there, which over the days and months keep making us sick. Now, during this colon therapy, all of that can be washed out. After that, you get a clean slate, you get a clean canvas, and you can write your health in it. When I say this, it means that you get one more opportunity to cleanse your lifestyle and to improve your eating habits. You have good probiotic foods, you have easy to digest foods, you sleep on time, and within 2 to 3 days, you can feel the difference in the energy in the skin. Your skin starts glowing. Your hair becomes better. Your sleep becomes better. And to the extent which I never realized, but 5 years back when I started doing this in my clinic, there were people who used to come after the session and say, we can meditate better now. Now that's so powerful, and it's a very simple, natural thing. And people are doing it. People are doing it post their travels, when they travel for more than 5 to 7 days. In this weather where the AQI is high, people are doing it, using it for detox. And combining this with far infrared sauna, right? Now, far infrared sauna, if I tell you the price point, it's just 1,200 to 1,500 rupees a session. And it works at your mitochondria level. Now, mitochondria is the engine of your cell. We all studied it in biology. I always thought we were taught in 8th or 9th class. I met a parent few weeks back and she said, now in 4th class, this is being taught what mitochondria is. Now, all our health conditions, all the fatigue, all the sickness, all the dark circles, dull skin is because of mitochondrial activity getting compromised. Now, this infrared sauna, it actually stimulates the mitochondrial health. It detoxifies the body. It makes you sleep better. It relaxes you. And really helps you get back the circadian rhythm.
What's the male to female ratio walking in for these treatments though? Tell us. We know that, we talked a little earlier about certain treatments that women are in particular going for that tighten their muscle structure, both in the face and in the body. But overall, are there treatments we're also seeing men opt for increasingly? What are the numbers like?
Yes. So I feel the numbers are almost similar now. The only difference I see is that males generally come with the fear of heart disease, and that's where we do IV chelation, where we take out heavy metals in the body by giving IV drips, right? Whereas women come more for collagen building, fairness, good hair, headaches, anti-aging. So, but I am seeing that a lot of men, even we do hydrofacials and peels and stuff like that for face. I'm seeing a lot of men walking in there too. It's not only a women's world now.
Yeah, I have a quick last minute, but I want to give a word of caution and hear that from Dr. Saurabh Mandal. Do you have any word of caution for those watching? It's in no way that we are propagating these treatments. We are saying, of course, go to your doctor and understand if this is right for you.
Yes.
Definitely, people should consult their physicians whenever they're going for this kind of treatments, because whenever we are inserting anything inside our body, it can produce certain side effects as well. Because everything is having their positive side and their negative side. So always before checking anything with anyone, I know everybody is expert in their field, but still before giving our body to anybody, please go and check everything with your general physician.
That's a good note to leave the discussion on, but so much really happening.
I want to add here.
Very quickly, ma'am, yes.
Go to your functional medicine doctor. A lot of physicians still have to read about the newer things which are happening in the market.
I see.
And they are safe if done under right guidance.
If done under the right guidance with the right people at the right time.
Very important.
Lots of boxes to be ticked. So please ensure that you have expert advice. Don't believe us or don't believe anything else that any other pamphlet tells you. Thank you both for joining us with the very latest on these very fascinating treatments.
Yeah. Which especially I really want to circle back to what we were saying earlier. Holiday season, and it's really when I see people sometimes pushing their bodies beyond what their bodies will allow them. And then you see treatments like this. IV drips, though, have been around for a few years now.
But again, an overdose can be dangerous.
Yeah,
so one has to
course.
be careful. One has to be
Yeah.
careful about all these things. But let's move on